Jai Sai Ram, Chapter 55. The Epilogue. Sadguru Sri Sai. Hey Sai, I am praying at your feet requesting for your shelter, because you are the only base of this whole universe. If we worship and pray with this feeling, then it is sure that all our wishes will be fulfilled soon, and we will achieve our prime goal. Today, on the bank of ill thoughts, by the storm of illusion and ignorance, the roots of the patience formed three had been uprooted. By the method of ego, formed in the air storm, has risen in the heart formed ocean, is which crocodiles of anger and hatred swim. And ego and doubt formed many resolution and ambiguities, formed whirlpool, countless fishes of scorn, hatred, jealousy are floating. Although the sea is so dangerous, even then our Sadguru Sai Maharaj is in the form of Agastya in it. Therefore, the devotees do not need to be least afraid. Our Sadguru is a ship, and he will take us across this dangerous ocean of world safely. Prayer. After saluting, prostrate to Sri Sai Sachidananda Maharaj, taking hold of his feet, we, for the welfare of all devotees, pray to him that, Hey Sai, allay the restlessness and longings of our heart. Hey God, except your lotus feet, we may not have the greed of any other thing. The Charitra character may reach to every house and may be prayed and worshipped daily, and those devotees who read daily with love, their all calamities may be destroyed. Beneficence of listening. Now it is being told about the result which is being achieved by reading the epic formed book. By reading and listening this book, wholehearted wishes will be fulfilled. Taking bath is in the pious river Godavari after having sight of Sai Baba in Samadhi temple at Shirdi. If you start reading and listening of this book, then your all kind of difficulties, bodily, godly, and mentally, will be destroyed. By performing and telling the story of Sai Baba time to time, you will create interest about spiritual world. And if you keep practicing with love and methodologically, all your sins will surely be destroyed. If you really want salvation from the cycle of birth and death, then you should daily read and listen the stories of Sai. Have remembrance and keep strong love in his feet. Churn the Sai story formed this ocean, and after getting the jewels from it, distributed them to others, due to which you will daily have new joy and the listeners will be saved from the downfall. If devotees come to his shelter with infinite feeling, then their ego being destroyed, union with Baba will be achieved. As the rivers mix in the ocean, if you, out of these three conditions, awakening, dream, sleep, merge into one and keep Sai remembrance, then you will get freedom from worldly cycle. After taking bath and with love and devotion, who reads this book for a week, his all sufferings will allay, or will do daily its reading and listening that will destroy all their fears. By its reading, everyone will have the result according to his faith and devotion. But in the absence of these, it is not possible to achieve any results. If you read this book with respect, then Sri Sai will get you free from the clutches of ignorance and poverty, and will grant you knowledge, riches, and prosperity. If with rapt attention daily you read even one chapter, then you will have infinite pleasure. This book should be read in your house at the location of Guru Purnima, Gokulashtami, Ram Navami, Vijayadashmi and Deepavali. If with interest you will read this book, then you will achieve pleasure and satisfaction and will always keep in memory Sai Baba's lotus feet, and in this way you will easily cross over the sea of the world. By its reading, patients will have health, poor will have riches, suffered and grieved will have peace, and all the perversions of mind will allay and will achieve peace of mind. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram.